Hello, everyone. I am Davis of Hongyon Machinery. Today, we bring you one of our latest multi-set knife continuous cutting machines. What are its main functions? First, it can cut a variety of materials. For example, stone mosaic tile, red bricks, and slabs, and a variety of new materials such as foam ceramics. As long as its saw blade can cut to the place, it can be cut. What was the highlight? It can cut 10 to 20 different sizes. At the same time, it is cut out at one time. Therefore, its functional efficiency is very powerful. Come on, let's get the product. All right, we've just seen the machine cut in one go. 6 tablets. Its overall cutting size is very uniform. It's done in one go. The speed is still very fast, and you can see one of them here. Effect. Let me tell you about some of the highlights of this machine. So the first one is, you can see we have a frequency converter here. What about the whole boom box? It's a structure that can move. You can move around on the left and right. Now, this position is a function of a frequency converter to adjust the speed. You can see the conveyor belt. It is possible to adjust one of its transmission speeds according to our frequency converter. Now, let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, the diameter of our shaft is 60. The diameter of this shaft is an outer diameter of 60. What about our blades? At most, it can be mounted. Well, that's about 12 pieces per blade. The structure is 2 knife head groups. This is 2 motors. Represents 2 knife head groups. So from the top down, we have a water cooler inside. You can see that the piece I'm touching now is a water cooling tank. Our water comes in for cooling. Spindle, cool, down. In addition, you can see the structure below me. It's a structure of an electric lift. The lift on the shelves as a whole is electric. And our waterproof effect treatment is still very good. You can see it. Here we have another very bright thing. You can see that there are 4 guide pillars. These are our 4 unique guide pillars. It can enhance the stability of the whole machine tool. That it will not shake when cutting. It's pretty stable. Interested friends, remember to contact me. I'm Davis. See you next time. Bye.